every night. Alternate niya sa gabi, tungod kay ang gabi para na sa pagtuon sa lesson nga kami. Okay, pero nalimot sila kung pasobis ang anak na atong Monday, no? So hopefully you have read our second topic, and for next you read the third topic. Okay? Now, in Revelation chapter 1, verse 2, all things John saw fall into two categories. Okay ng Bible sulat wala mo maka-study na. Kung sa man namang category nga nakita ni John sa writings dinha sa pinadayan. So of course, hindi sulat. He saw these things. And there are two categories of these. What are these? According to scripture are what? Revelation is the last book. So the things are and